In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious strawberry ice cream recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of strawberries without the leaves, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 3/4 cup of condensed milk. We're going to start by dicing the strawberries into small pieces. Place the strawberries into a food processor and blend into a puree. In a bowl, we're going to add in the heavy cream and whip until stiff peaks. Gently fold in the condensed milk and mix until thoroughly combined. Add in the strawberry puree and mix until combined. Place this mixture into a plastic container with a lid. Seal the container with the lid. Freeze overnight. Our strawberry ice cream is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.